How to remove shipping calculated at checkout in Shopify. So I've just logged into my account here, and from the left hand side we want to click on online store, which will automatically take us to the themes page. So just scroll down a little bit until you see your current theme here. Click on the three dots and then click on edit default theme content. Now here we want to search for calculated at checkout. Press enter and you will see this shipping policy HTML under products. So shipping calculated at checkout. So right here we just want to highlight all of this text, delete it, and then press space once so we meet the 1 point criteria here. Basically it won't let us save until we have at least 1 character, which we typed space for. So after we have saved this will successfully remove shipping calculated at checkout on your store. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.